Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make an enema that can relieve you of constipation, and it can also detoxify your system for you. So I have some 4 kitchen ingredients that I think almost all of us have in our kitchens, and they are ginger, black peppercorn, cloves, and grains of selim. These wonderful ingredients are being combined to make enema, and they are so effective in relieving constipation in both adults and kids. But with kids, you have to skip the ginger or you add a little due to the burning sensation that it may have on the child. So you can see I'm adding all these ingredients together and I'll grind it. This is an African method to relieve constipation or to just wash out or flush out your system after you have consumed all kinds of foods. This is so helpful. Growing up, this was what our parents used to make, and they will flush out our systems for us. So I'm just grinding it this way. If you don't have this, you can use your mortar and make justice to it. So you can see in Africa we have beneficial remedies to treat various ailments. So all these ingredients combined have greater amounts of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antifungal properties, and a whole lot of other benefits. I have a video on that. You can check it out in the description box below. So you can see this can even help you in your weight loss journey, since these ingredients can be used to make weight loss tea so that you get the desired results. So now I have finished with the grinding, so I'm just adding some water and I'll transfer it into my saucepan, and then quickly I'll just place it on fire for it to boil over. So I'm going to let it boil, and after boiling I'll take it away and then strain it to remove the debris and leave the solution. Now let me just say something that is also important. Please, when it is very hot, don't pass it through your colon. If not, you may rupture your colon or cause damage to the colon. You have to let it cool down a bit before you can use it. So I have my bulb syringe here that I'll use to draw the solution, and you will just pass it through the anus. You can see the bulb syringe is very small, so you can just measure the quantity that you want and then use it. This is very effective and it's an age-long practice in Africa. So yeah, I hope you do try it to relieve yourself of constipation or to relieve your case of constipation. Please do not use too hot enemas, and also do not push the bulb syringe deeper into your colon. This will prevent you from hurting yourself, because you can get colon rupture or colon perforation from doing this. Please read wide before practicing things that you are not sure about. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I'll be glad to see you next time on this channel. Have a nice time. Bye.